water, kids and adults washing their feet. It's the trail over to that waterfall. That's pretty cool, huh? See? The big old rocks here. Wow. That's just a nice view. Yosemite. We're just walking up and down. A big old log out there. Water. Hi. The waterfalls. We're almost near it. This is the trail. There you go. You can see that waterfalls there. Right there. It's a walk. There's a better view. Oh, what a walk. There it is. Take a shower in that one.
Very good for this.
There's Jessica. Here's a video. This is a video.
Richard.
It's a video.
Sabi ni Pogi,
Oh.
pag nasa waterfall ka, ihilamos mo daw yung tubig, it brings you good luck.
Uh-huh.
Ako Richard, ibaliktad mo yung camera mo, ang dami.